State Police and the Virginia Missing Children Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Newport News Police Department for a child abduction that occurred on April 15, 2023 at 1000 hours. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen on Jefferson Avenue in Newport News, Virginia. Abducted is Brielle Alexis Marie Silver, biracial female, 9 years old, brown hair in a ponytail, brown eyes, 4 foot 7 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds. She was last seen wearing a black tank top, white shorts, and no shoes. She may be wearing silver dolphin earrings. The child is believed to have been abducted by Bethany Renee Dawn Gould, white female with brown hair, hazel eyes, 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds. There is no clothing description at this time. They may be traveling in a gray 2005 Mercury Mariner with Alabama registration 32VM568. For further information, contact the Newport News Police Department at 757-727-2500 or visit twitter.com/VSP Alerts.